At this point, yeah. Oo. Kaya nga, may gagawin kaming movie. Dahil parang medyo naghahanap na ako ng challenge. May gagawin akong movie with GMA Films. And it's going to be something really, really new to everyone.
Drama, romance.
Ang working title niya is, so far, working title is Family History.
Parang drama ang galing.
Antayin niyo.
Drama docu, parang ganyan.
We're hoping to get Don Zuguera.
Wow.
Ako. I also wrote the script. And I'm also starring as the main character.
Sino mag-direct mo?
Ako. Written by me, directed by me, starring by me. Produced by me. Co-produced by me.
Sorry, smart.
Oh, well, may mga times na kailangan mong gawin yun. As I've said, gusto ko pinahihirapan yung sarili ko. So, why not this way? Pressure lang.
Sir, sa mga cast mo, meron kayong nakikita parang pwedeng maging kasunod na
Good question. Kasi lahat sila nakikita ko. Actually, yung throne naman for the next supposed comedy king, walang nakaupo ngayon. So everyone is welcome to sit in. Kaya lahat sila potential. Hindi lang lalaki. Yun yung hoping ako na mangyari one day. Na kung sinasabi nilang, ang galing-galing ni Michael V. Can you imagine lahat yan maging Michael V? Diba? Diba? Hindi lang yung show makikinabang. Hindi lang yung individual careers ng mga talent sa makikinabang. Pati yung network makikinabang. Pati yung buong industry makikinabang. Which is my ultimate dream for comedy in the Philippines.
Talking about comedy, you're known for being, you're known for your wholesome jokes.
Am I?
Yeah, generally.
Oh, okay.
Pero what's your thoughts on yung mga comedy that are devised to parang humiliate other people?
Well, inevitable. Meron talagang kanya-kanyang niche ang bawat comedian. And kung merong nag-excel dun sa area na yun at nagsasucceed siya, well, that's because he's very, very good at it. And hindi natin pwedeng i-deny na marami talagang types of comedy. And it just so happened na ito yung type of comedy na ginagawa ko. Hindi ibig sabihin walang iba.
Sorry po, last question.
Oh!
For Sir Pinoy and Derek.
Oh, God. Ay. Maganda naman.
Pero may alala ako mga 5 minutes na lang. Or 10.
Okay.
Sige, tanong na kayo.
Hindi ba, how long sila?
Ito, less than 2 hours. May mga an hour and a half.
Yung cast mo?
Thousands.
Cast of thousands. 20 plus to.